Hi, I'm Dr. Bloom, and today I want to talk to you about stress handling. The one common theme we've seen through all our patients throughout COVID is that everybody is dealing with really high levels of stress. Stress can be physical, chemical, and emotional, and right now all of us are going through all of them. On the physical side, many people have become more stagnant than they've ever been without access to their gyms and parks to recreate. The emotional stress on everybody is immense with this unknown territory that we're all in together. And then the chemical stress has also been higher on people because these stress hormones are chemicals. So what you can do to help better manage stress in your life is number one, breathe. Deep belly breathing helps turn on your parasympathetic nervous system, or the side of your nervous system that helps calm things down. Number two, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. If you're not hydrated, your body will be under stress. So whenever you start feeling anxious, please go grab a glass of water. It will help. And number three, please take time to sleep and take good care of yourself. Make sure you're getting adequate rest, going to bed at a reasonable time, making sure your room is dark, turning off computers and TVs at least 30 minutes before bed. And then remember just to try to empty your mind and focus on your breath as you're trying to go to sleep. So making sure that you sleep well, drink plenty of water, and keep a positive outlook will help you manage these difficult times.